Window installation in Tampa, Florida, is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses seeking to enhance their property's aesthetics and energy efficiency. With a variety of options available, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and impact windows, residents can find the perfect solution to meet their needs. Whether you're looking for replacement windows Tampa or custom windows, Tampa offers a range of services to ensure your windows are both functional and stylish. For those in need of window replacement services in Tampa, expert window contractors are available to address any issues with your residential or commercial windows. From window glass replacement to window frame replacement, these professionals provide comprehensive solutions to keep your windows in top condition. With a focus on quality and durability, window replacement services in Tampa ensure your windows remain secure and efficient. Hurricane windows are a popular choice in Tampa due to the region's susceptibility to severe weather. Impact-resistant windows provide added protection against storms, making them an essential investment for homeowners. With hurricane window installation services available, residents can feel confident in their home's ability to withstand harsh conditions. These windows not only offer safety, but also contribute to energy savings. Sliding windows and bay windows are excellent options for those looking to enhance their home's design and functionality. Sliding replacement windows. Tampa provides a sleek, modern look, while bay window installation adds character and space to any room. Both options are available through professional window services in Tampa, ensuring a seamless installation process. Double-hung windows and casement windows are versatile choices for any home. Double-hung windows in Tampa offer easy cleaning and ventilation, while casement windows provide a classic look with excellent airflow. With a variety of window styles available, Tampa residents can find the perfect match for their home's architecture and personal taste. Window maintenance is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. In Tampa, window maintenance services include regular inspections, cleaning, and replacements to ensure your windows remain in optimal condition. By investing in professional window maintenance, homeowners can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of their windows. Window design experts in Tampa offer custom window solutions to meet the unique needs of each client. From modern window styles to traditional designs, these professionals work closely with homeowners to create windows that complement their home's aesthetic. With focus on innovation and quality, window design experts in Tampa deliver exceptional results. For those seeking affordable windows in Tampa Bay, local window suppliers offer a wide range of options to fit any budget. From vinyl window replacement to energy-saving windows, Tampa residents can find cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. With competitive pricing and exceptional service, window suppliers in Tampa FL are the go-to source for all your window needs. Window upgrade services in Tampa Bay provide homeowners with the opportunity to enhance their property's value and efficiency. By replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient options, residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. With professional replacement windows, Tampa upgrade services available, Tampa homeowners can easily improve their home's performance and appearance.